And Dr. Amber come and ask me about Makcik, how is my sister? My sister is a cancer patient at stage 4, and at that time, condition is not helping at all. Doctor already give her morphine. She's an SLE patient for 20 over years. She got heart problem with 8 stents, and then her cancer cannot be removed. She got breast cancer because of her heart condition. So at that time, she really in bad shape. Of course, in that condition, she can work, right? She cannot do anything. And then when Dr. Amber come and tell me, Makcik, I have something that's very good for my sister. So I took. Then my husband said, okay lah, tell my sister-in-law, sign lah. He wants to sign lah. Then I cut short lah. I bring it to my sister. I give it to my sister. My sister took. When she took, her house is 4 story. That time the lift is not ready for her to take. So every 3 steps she will take. Slowly she will sit down. She cannot do anything. Then one fine day, after 3 days, I given her the reserve, only reserve. I give her. She called me after I sent her home, and then only 10 minutes later she called me. She says she already reached her house. Then I say, don't bluff me, can or not? Because normally it's 40 minutes. Then I say, don't bluff me, can or not? Because Adik, I'm at home already. I say. Then my husband like, betul ke? No, like, really, very good lah, this one. This is very good lah. And then I was like, yeah, very good. Now, why don't I take it? Because that time, at that moment, I was diagnosed with damaged liver. Very highly anti-inflammation, my liver. I took slimming pills from a well-known pharmacist lah. So when I took, I lack of water. I did not drink so much water. So it really, it damaged my liver. So I've been seeing the doctor in SGH. Then I tell my husband I want to take. Then we signed on the 19th August. Okay. Then when we signed, my sister took 3 days. After that, I took 20-something, 21 or 22nd like that. I took in August. I went for my scanning. I went for my blood test after a month or so. I went, and then the doctor said, okay, another 1 month's time, you come back for your result. Because I know lah, because for 12 months already, the result always still very bad. But until not the extent that they have to do something lah. Only very bad lah, they say. Then on the 19th October, my birthday, I went to take the result. The doctor, when I came in, he's an Indian doctor lah. He said, Makcik, you sit down here. No, your result very good, And I said, sure not? Yeah, what do you take? Then I said, you see lah, this one. Then I start talking. This one my nephew, a doctor also asked me to take this. Say, whatever you take, carry on. Because it really works on me. And then he asked me, whether I want to go polyclinic or to my GP. Just to continue. I cannot just stop like that. They say, I must continue. Then I say, I prefer to my GP. So from there, I tell you, I never stop talking. Over here, I tell you seriously, you must talk. I even asked my maid, talk. She pushed her trolley. She see the auntie walking like that. Makcik, nenek, you kami kaki sakit ada barang bagus tu. I cannot buy. And then she also is executive now. She also then she tell me one day she saw her money there $35 US. Then she said, easy to make money like this one. Then I said, hey, don't quit lah. We need 26 years already. I said, 26 years. And then she said, here easy to make money. Serious like. But she's very hardworking. You don't stop talking. Definitely you will get negative result from people. Definitely they will say, no lah. This one
like you MLM want to go home.
I don't go back now. Report I don't see all the every morning I wake up only I see first. Seriously.
See your money growing.
Yeah, see my money growing. I never, MLM, seriously, I never make. Now I make thousands of dollars.
Wow.
I make. Even though it takes slow lah for me to, because it's not easy lah. Seriously, it's not easy. But I can see the money. Proven. Okay, I tell you what. I show it my sister, because my sister, she in that condition, she's now working. I call her. Outside, she came, she's now working already, but
So interesting.
she cannot remove the cancer. So, but the doctor insists that, science, doctors, they still want chemo. Then we allow them to do lah. But today she chemo. The next day she work. Good or not?
Good.
Result is really fantastic. I give her reserve and also I give her AMPM. Okay, thank you very much.